Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. Solar irrigation set from Parkside for automated irrigation of up to 20 plants. Water tank volume 10.1 liters. Includes NIM8 rechargeable batteries 3 1.2 volt 2A 1200 mAh with 14 watering settings. Accessories included 57-piece set, solar, UV resistant, weather resistant, German Design Award winner 2025 with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Everything it is inside of this container, Parkside. .1 liters capacity. Included we have in the manual, the batteries and some accessories. Plenty of them. Wow. Hose, 20 meters of hose, there it is, one spike to hold the main unit at the ground, one storage, you can have everything inside here, all these accessories. We have the solar panel with this stand, you can use it just like that. The cable length, it is 2 meters, and you can install the solar panel here at this position. There you have it at the front, so easy. The timer, it is in off position right now. At this position water will be supplied immediately for a duration of 5 minutes. 12 hours water will be supplied for duration of 10, 15, 20 minutes every 12 hours, and then 24 hours for 5, 15, 20, 30, 35 minutes. Water will be supplied every 24 hours. Water will be supplied for a duration of 10, 20, 30 minutes every 48 hours, and next 10, 15 and 20 minutes every 72 hours. And again off. Indicator here. You can remove the solar panel from the main unit, install again, silicone rubber at the connection, and here at the bottom we have the in and out connection. You can use the 20 meters of hose. Let me show you. Connect the out here, very easy, and then cut the desired length you want. And you can connect some of these accessories. The drip nozzle, adjustable drip nozzle, you can adjust that and connect that here. And of course we have and these connections, you can use these connections depending how many plants you have, you can make all these connections. You can cut again, connect that here, connect another one. As many plants you have, use these drip nozzles. And we have these spikes. They will hold the hose at the ground. And we have this metal filter. If you want, you can use this filter. Included 20 drip nozzles, 8 of this, 8 stops for the water. You can install them in the end of the hose. So easy. Mounting screws. If you want, you can permanently install this unit at the wall with these 2 screw holes. 15 spikes and the 3 batteries. To install the batteries, we need to remove the back cover. Silicone rubber around, sealing very well the battery compartment. Let's see if it is off. Okay, it is off. Nice. And after 5 to 6 hours under the sun, the solar panel has fully charged the batteries. So now let's connect one of the hose at the inlet, the filter at the other end, and I need a bucket of water. There is a water. Close and insert the filter with the hose. Perfect. And the outlet with these drip nozzles, I can connect maximum 20 meters. We will see that. So right now it is on off, on. I can hear the pump. And there's the water. Okay. Off. And of course I can adjust the flow. Close, open, and adjust it. And of course I can choose one of the other programs. 10 minutes. The indicator is flashing. 15, 20 as I mentioned. Nice, I just love it. And definitely we will see water end in the end of this hose. I like the pressure. It is very acceptable. Every time that I'm changing program, the indicator is flashing. And there it is at the other end. 20 meters hose. And we have water. No worries, you can use one of the stops. I like the pressure. And it will stop the water flowing. Definitely the pump, it has power. And that was all. So after 10 minutes it stops the pump and it will start again after 12 hours for 10 minutes or 15 or 20 minutes. or after 24 hours for 5, 15, 20, 30, 35, and after 48 hours for 10, 20, 30 minutes, or after 72 hours for 10, 15 or 20 minutes. You have so many options. I like it. Strong pump, water it can flow through 20 meters of hose. Amazing, thumbs up. The beauty of this system lies in its independence. Power it entirely by the sun. It's an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to ensure your plants get exactly the water they need, when they need it. No more relying on external power or remembering to water every day. Whether you are going on holiday, have a busy schedule, or just want to make your gardening more efficient, this set is a fantastic solution. It's incredibly easy to set up and customize for everything from small balconies to large garden beds. If this video helped you understand the Parkside solar irrigation set, please give us a big thumbs up, it really supports our channel. And for more green thumb tips, tool reviews and garden innovations, make sure you are subscribed and have hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching everyone. We are always looking for ways to make your gardening easier and more enjoyable. Until next time, happy gardening and we'll see you in the next video.